Word 1. Happy New Year. So today, I can't do 3 things. The first thing I can't do, I can't wish you a Happy New Year. And to tell you and say, I not forget you now. Everything when I say I go do for now, we don't start to do them. The second thing I can't tell you now. We say this election when they come, na serious election. Una don't know Igodo. Una don't know him. Una don't trust him. Igodo. We get somebody there now. Now only they help me. Now only they help me for this Edo South. If we don't send and go back, now we go lose. EJ! But you know what? This is Eribo. Tried and tested. Today, I can't see you now. I can't greet you now. I can't tell you now, say, election don't start. That by the grace of God, this time, Egor go do past what they do before. Amen. Our government never worked for Egor. We not do road. Very well. We not do school. We never start. We go still do more. There's one man, he's my brother. I call him tried and tested. Honorable Osadolo Eribo. Eribo to Eribo. Eribo to Eribo. Eribo to Eribo. APC. APC. And the person when I trust, the person we trust, because we don't go there before for House of Rep, and we know how it works for us. And this man, we don't know him. Igodo, this Igodo go to Abuja. Igodo we go to Abuja. Abuja direct. Egor is lucky because you already have somebody there when they walk, and the only one when I get Abuja from Edo South, from this side. EJ. Word 4. Happy New Year. I came to wish you Happy New Year. You supported me to become governor. And I will always remain grateful to you. Now, for me to do more than I'm doing, I need your help so that we can send our own to Abuja to represent us in the Senate. That is why today I'm here to plead with you, to beg you to help me, join me. Let us send Igodo to the Senate. Igodo for Senate. EJ Agboima is already there. EJ is the only one we have now. Are we going to lose what we have? No. Can we lose what we have? No. Are you going to send EJ back? Yeah. You know him. Yeah. He has represented you before. He's representing you now. Do you want him to continue to represent you? Are you going to send him back? Is Eribo going back to the House of Assembly? Eribo, your people say I should tell you that you have no problems.
On Egor 5, my 100% the election day. So my disappoint. And I'm not disappointed before.
Igodo, come. If this man promise you today, say he go do this road, I guarantee him, I will go borrow money, start to do the road immediately. Una go vote,
Say, vote for me to become senator representing the Just South of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I will join our vacancy governor. We will make this road happy away.
EJ is the only representative I have in this area. They say what you have you keep. Because we get them, if they represent us well, maybe we send and go back.
Yes. I go join them. The project, everything when they come from Abuja, federal government present. I go join the governor to support her. The good way they do for this place. This road, we promise, myself, Senator, my guy here, the governor, we go join us, make it succeed. This road must be constructed.
The person when go make am possible, when go move the motion for the house for me, immediately they resume. Una know am, una know am. Eribo, are you going to move the motion? Are the eyes going to have it?